Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at question 15 of Paper 1 SPM Physics 2016. Let's take a look at the question together. Diagram 6 shows a model of an aeroplane wing. Which part, ABCD, experiences the highest pressure? Alright, so for this question, the chapter that you want to associate it with is chapter 3 of Form 4. So you want to be thinking about Bernoulli's principle. Okay, Bernoulli's principle. Now, so Bernoulli's principle states that the higher the velocity of the fluid, the lower the pressure. Alright, so it's higher velocity, lower pressure, and vice versa, whereby lower velocity, higher pressure. Alright, so for here, the two parts that we want to eliminate directly is A and C. So we usually do not we usually do not assess the pressures at point A and point D because it's not relevant. So the pressures that we want to evaluate is at the B area and the D area, okay, which is above or below the airplane wing. Now, so the way you actually find out whether which is a higher pressure is to assess the velocity. Now, the way you think about it is that you have this airplane wing. So how would you compare the distance here compared to the distance here? So this is B, this is D. Now if you were to extend the B line, it will actually be longer than the D line. So the longer the distance, the higher the velocity of the air that it has to flow at. Okay, so you have to think it that way. So the longer the distance or the displacement, the longer the journey, which is here, the higher the velocity that the air will flow. Okay, so since the above has a higher velocity, it means that the pressure here will be lower. And since D has a shorter length, so the velocity would not be as fast. So slower velocity will be higher pressure down here. So the question is asking for the highest pressure. So the question is asking for the highest pressure. So the answer would be D. Thank you for watching.